Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrendTV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Volkswagen Polo Comfortline TSI automatic variant. Volkswagen India had just recently launched a Comfortline TSI variant on the Volkswagen Polo as the entry-level variant for the TSI lineup. However, this Comfortline variant was available only with a 6-speed manual transmission, with the 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox reserved only for the Highline Plus and the GT TSI variants. However, now Volkswagen India has made the automatic TSI lineup more affordable and accessible than before by introducing the automatic gearbox on the entry-level Comfortline TSI variant itself. This entry-level Comfortline TSI automatic variant is priced at Rs 8.51 lakh ex-showroom, being much more affordable than its rivals such as the Hyundai i20 Turbo DCT. Talking about this entry-level Comfortline variant, it is the only variant available with all 3 engine and transmission options, offering the 1-litre 3-cylinder MPI petrol engine, producing 78 PS of maximum power mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. Then there is the 1-litre 3-cylinder TSI turbo petrol engine producing 110 PS of maximum power, which is now available with either the 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. In terms of features and equipment, there has been no changes to the Comfortline variant except for the addition of the 6-speed torque converter gearbox. Despite being the entry-level variant of the TSI range, the Comfortline variant still offers 15-inch dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels, front and rear fog lamps, rear windshield wiper washer and defogger, a tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, height adjustable driver seat, a 2-in audio system with Bluetooth connectivity, remote central locking with flip key, all 4 power windows with electronically adjustable ORVMs, automatic climate control and reverse parking sensors. Just like before, the standard safety features on the Volkswagen Polo include dual airbags with ABS, EBD, central locking and reverse parking sensors. Despite being more than a decade old and having the least interior space in the back seat, truly speaking, the Volkswagen Polo is still the car to beat when it comes to on-road performance and overall dynamics in the premium hatchback category. It is also a proven and solid hatchback, which has now become better value for money than before due to the introduction of this new Comfortline TSI variants. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new Comfortline TSI automatic variant of the Volkswagen Polo. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.